Hey everyone, I'm so sorry that I'm not in class with you today. Hopefully by now you've had a chance to go over your homework from last night, which was the Unit 3 and Unit 4 vocabulary review for your test on Friday. Now what I wanted to do is take a couple minutes to explain your goals for today's class, which are really going to be to work on your Weebly page and specifically that book review page. Today is actually Digital Learning Day, which means that it's a day where students all over the country are using technology to create things, share, and just try out new tools. So I thought it would be a perfect day for us to finally create our book review on Weebly. So the first thing that I'd like you all to do is think about a book that you would like to write a review for. Now, this should be a book that you've read recently. I know we're a little bit behind, but it might be the third book that you finished for the year a couple weeks ago. It might be a book that you're currently reading, but it should not be a book that you've already finished an independent reading project for. So once you have that book in mind, you're going to log into your Weebly account and you are going to build that book review page. Some things that you might want to consider adding would be the title, the number of pages, the genre. Don't give any spoilers, but you can also add some images, recommendations for other books. You can read more about this later. But I wanted to show you my page, and later you'll be able to check out the completed review. But I wanted to create a book review for the book Ghost by Jason Reynolds. So I have my page set up here. I'm already logged in. And the first thing I want to do is change the background, which I know is the first thing a lot of you always want to do. So I'm going to double click on that picture and I'm going to click on Edit Background. And then I'm going to click on Image again and click on Replace. Now, I actually saved a photo of the book cover. I found it on Amazon. Amazon's a great place to look, and we'll definitely want to give credit to that source. So I'm going to drag my picture up, and I'm going to maybe have to resize it a bit. But there is my cover of Ghost. Then I'm going to add some text in. And I'm just going to type in book review. I'm going to highlight it and change the color, make it bold. And now you'll know that it's my book review. So then I'm going to click on New Post. And I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to title it Ghost by Jason Reynolds. Then I'm going to pull some text over. And then I can start adding my review. I'm going to fix it later. You guys can check it out. I'll put the link on the directions page. If I want to put an image in, I can search for that. I might try to find some sneakers, because sneakers are really important in this book. Now, I accidentally chose a photo that was something you had to pay for, so when you go to search for your images, make sure you click on this tab here that says Free Photos. So then I have some sneakers. I'm just going to put those in for now. I might change it. We'll see. If I wanted to put a video in, I could do that by dragging an HD video. If I wanted a YouTube video, I could add that in here. So it's really up to you what you'd like to build, but make sure you write a strong review, and when you're done you'll click on Post. If you finish early your book review, you can then go to the book recommendation Flipgrid. You can share a recommendation for the book that you wrote about. If you want to use the embed code option, you can even put your Flipgrid video on your Weebly page. And if you finish early, you have a few different options today. So you can keep working on your blog. You can work on the About Me page. You can work on the Need to Know page. You could look through the Flipgrid and browse some book recommendations. You could respond to some others. You can read your independent reading novel, of course, and studying for your vocabulary test would also be an option today. You know, there's a lot of games there on Sadlier that are available for you. But two things that I don't want you to forget: your homework, complete the Thursday vocab assignment, and also study. We have that test on Friday. So if you have questions, if you're having trouble, if it's glitching, you can send me emails. I'll be checking my email all day. But I hope you have a great day with Miss Davis and Mrs. Walls and Mrs. Howie. Thank you.